So the question is, are you ready to take a ride in a real car?
Sure. It's another Ford.
It's not a Mustang this time though. So, you hot, my friend? Let's turn on the instant AC.
This ST for a rip. Tater chip. I'm only saying that because it's a Ford. That's literally the only reason why. And it's funny because this man always ends up in a Ford.
A black Ford?
That black Ford to be at that. Man, y'all don't understand the sound. Y'all don't hear it. Or hopefully it picks it up. Hell yeah. Yo, this bitch grip's good, yo. You know we gotta get an outside clip when we get back to the house, right? Because I gotta hear that shit from the outside.
Oh, we'll do it down here. Straight.
Yo, this shit sounds amazing, bro. Yo, every time I get in this car, all I do is laugh. Like,
Can't do nothing but smile.
yo, dead ass. Yo, this little bitch rips, man. But it's dope though, cause it's not like, it's not raw. It's comfortable. Like you could do a $140
And not even
just be chilling. You wouldn't even know. They're gonna call the cops for me for being nude. Yo, I love this car. I really hope, Randy, I know you're gonna watch this video. Keep this car, please. I'm begging you. Out of any car that we've built together, any of that shit, I've been a part of any of that, keep this one, bro. This shit is like, I love this car, bro. Oh, here we go. Yeah, do you guys hear that flutter? Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get him to burn out. Yeah, that flutter is ridiculous, kid. Oh my god. Oh, he's gonna launch it. Yes! LSD at all, bro. Yo! This is crazy, son. I love that car.
You ride?
Yeah, I need a ride.
Your Uber's here.
You locked the door, man. You just lost the rating.
It's alright. I usually only get 4 stars anyways. So where you headed? Anywhere I've ever been before?
I want to go.
Trust me, I will get you there as fast as possible. You see the boost gauge? No turbo.
Oh man, that's crazy, man.
Yeah, my turbo is fucking cock-a-doodle. It used to make 20 pounds of boost.
Nah.
I don't know what happened to it. I knew it was on its way out because it was smoking. You know,
It's not pulling like it pulls. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah,
but it's not pulling like how it was the first time. This shit was
I have
like.
a boost leak. I have to have a boost leak somewhere.
Probably, yeah. That's what happened with me when I was street tuned. The coupler popped off of the throttle body. Boosted Becky was making too much boost. Ooh, I like the way that sounds. What?
Boosted Becky's gonna need a whole shitload of boost.
Man, he's hating, bro. This is like the biggest rivalry now, because now, like,
Okay. You know what I think though too? I don't have the mass airflow Actually, no, we got a lot more shit.
Yeah, a lot more.
Nah, really.
I mean, not really.
I want to start a little backwards on this one. So what do I usually do whenever I build a car?
He always fucks with the motor.
Always doing some shit to the engine, right? Tearing it apart, have it on the jack stands for a while.
Facts.
See, it's got to be that air temp sensor. The air temp sensor is not allowing the turbo to spool up that much because it doesn't.
The air temp or the mass?
Air temp sensor.
Oh,
Mass airflow sensor is connected to the map sensor is connected to the intercooler.
Oh, for real? That's dope.
Watch when you see everything that I do with my next setup. It's a low valve on the intake. All with the cranberry, with the cream, and the pie.
Dude, get the fuck out of here.
obviously I don't have the EG no more. There really isn't an excuse other than this is just a good trade, honestly.
For real.
Like 2014, clean interior. It has higher miles. It does have higher miles. But as you can tell, it's very well maintained.
Very. It's beautiful.
Recaro interior.
Yep.
Navigation
See if I can
system.
get it.
Yeah, they're full. They're heated too. Like, you know, it's turbo. It drives very good, and it does exactly what I want because the EG wasn't going to be a quarter mile car. That's not why I built it. You know that.
Yeah.
I like back road racing.
Yep.
That's what I like to do. So I got myself a car that's just perfect for that. As you can tell from the last clip, it could be about to see one or the other. We go and we have fun with it. The car makes about 18 pounds of boost right now. So that's, I mean, it's not enough for me, obviously.
Yeah.
But it wasn't working earlier. See if we can get a little hit out of it.
Oh, it's way better right now.
I mean, it feels.
See, it didn't do that earlier.
Yeah. There's something going on with the turbo, and that's why I'm upgrading it. So that's the future plans for the car. We're gonna upgrade the turbo, suspension, some tires so it doesn't do that.
Yeah.
Cob access port to tune it. That's pretty much it. The turbo kit is really the big thing with these.
Yeah.
So turbo kit wise, aftermarket-wise, they don't really offer anything for this. And the kits that they do offer, because it has like a weird cast manifold,
Yeah.
it's probably gonna kill this shot. But it has a cast manifold, downpipe manifold type. It's not a general spec T3, T4 flange.
Yeah.
It's a T1, T2, and it has like a weird elbow to it. So we're gonna make our own adapter. You know how much the full race adapter costs?
How much?
$300. If I told you what it is, you would be like, get the hell out of here for $300.
You could probably make it, huh?
Oh, we are making it. I've already ordered the parts to make it. It's a 45 pie cut with a T2 flange and the flange for the engine.
For real? It's almost like you ever see a Subaru's one where it's kind of like it's a pie cut with 3 bolts, right?
Talking about the exhaust, the turbo manifold.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah,
it's this big, and they want fucking $300 for it. So I'm gonna make mine for $100.
Respect it.
And I get to, it'll flow better because it's bigger diameter. I can put a bigger turbo, and I can make it the way I want to make it.
Yeah, exactly.
And you know how we're gonna make it? With this. Chamaquita. I bought everything, Papa. I got the brand new welder, right? That sent me back about 500. I got the tank. That sent me about 250, 275. Got these beautiful leather gloves. You already know. And you didn't know, but now you will know. Do you recognize this thing?
What?
This.
Not really.
This was the cart that was actually a dolly. Then I turned into a cart.
Oh!
That was the first thing I did. Papi, you like that? This was the pipe that always banged everyone in the head. Got the nice tank right here. Got to turn it off because it's probably empty because I left it open.
Hopefully not.
Yep, so we got a welder. We got everything kind of over in this corner now set up. As you can see, I did have my kids here for a little while. Now it's time to put all their shit back away. Got the go-kart. We got something for that. Yeah, buddy.
Yo, everybody's building go-karts right now.
Well, you're gonna have to wait to find out. You know what I'm saying? Once you find out, then you'll know. But if you don't know,
Now you know.
now you know. So,
This is all you, brother.
wanna let everyone know what we did? What I did? Again?
What? What? Come up. Another come up.
No. Actually, some people think it's fucking stupid.
I thought it was a good idea.
I think it was a good idea too. So I got offered a car for the EG.
And you took it.
Yeah. Went and got myself a goddamn black Ford again. This time, you know what we're gonna call this one?
What?
We'll call this one the Mustang.
Get the fuck out of here.
Why not? Got ourselves a ST, boss. They're actually a better car than a lot of people make them out to be.
I like it. I like it a lot, actually.
I honestly can say that this was one of my favorite trades I ever made. And yeah, that doesn't mean I'm done with Hondas though.
Not at all.
Because Tiffany bought herself something too. So, I started off here. If it'll catch. It's not gonna catch. Actually, no. I lied. Hold on. So I started off this line, then went to this line, then start laying them beads, boy. Now, call me the Chino. 15 minutes, I'll hook you up right now, real quick. Real fast.
Me number one.
Me number one. No one better than me. Dr. Rosito, he charged you $200. If it'll focus. So, I don't know. Yeah, whatever. So, no, I don't know. It's just not focusing. Even right now. There we go. I love your belly. Is it hungry? Woohoo! I dare you. You fucking disgusting.
Now imagine that shit.
Let's show them what we already started getting for the car. How about that? So, believe it or not, I ordered these and got them the very next day, bro.
I remember you telling me.
And they came from Maryland. So we ordered ourselves some lowering springs right here from my boy Tian. There he is. What's up, my boy? And then I got myself some Nittos. Now I didn't get the NTO ones, and I definitely didn't get the R888s. That's the only reason why, honestly, I didn't get the R888s.
Why?
You got them. You got them. So I figure we can do a comparison, honestly,
Actually,
on how your tires feel versus mine. These are the NT05s. These are actually a little bit cheaper. So instead of them being $500, they're about $375 for the pair. And honestly, I think it's time for some new tires, wouldn't you say? So we got that. I also ordered a Cobb access port. I ordered an entire turbo upgrade that we're gonna build ourselves. Obviously, we spoke about that already. I got some wheel spacers. I got some wing risers. I got a bunch of nice aesthetics for us, some tire letters. We're gonna paint those wheels black because honestly, I think they look dookie in that color. But I love the wheel. The wheel is just fucking fire on the car.
I just think the color of the wheel and the color of the car is just...
It doesn't match. Yeah, it doesn't match. It's too generic. So we're gonna do that. And as long as Miguel uploads the videos and you guys like, comment, and subscribe to them, you'll see more content. So, love the car. Everything about it. It has like this weird keyless entry setup. Beautiful Recaro interior. I mean, the car is just, all around, it's just a beautiful car. I mean, everything is great. It does have a couple of tire pressure sensor issues or whatever, but other than that, I mean, the gauges, everything about it's got a sunroof. It's just a very comfortable car. I don't see this being a bad trade. Trading a $8,000 to $10,000 car for a $10,000 to $14,000 car, I think is a good trade. It's also very comfortable for me and my kids. Whenever we go places, we can have kind of like, you know, a good adventure. And then if someone pulls up on the side of me, give them the business. Another good thing is that the car's turbo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Hit that again one more time for me. Woo. Them ego boosts go out, let me tell you. Alright guys, so I guess that's it for now. This is gonna be a short quick video. I think it'll be entertaining. It'll be long enough.
Oh yeah.
So obviously just let us know what you guys think in the comments, I guess. Even though we only get like 1 or 2 of you guys. Come on, there should be no reason why we have almost 700 people. We need to start trending, bro. So we have a bigger budget to do more crazy stuff like car giveaways and chopping shit up, light stuff on fire, blow stuff up, do nitrous stuff. I got nitrous for no reason. I have a turbo car, so do you. Let's blow something up with some nitrous. Let's put it on Tiffany's car without her knowing it.
We got the food.
Well, I mean, we got a couple of cars lined up. You gotta pay attention and bring the views up for us to be motivated. So I guess until then, you know, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna say it again, and to all my Ford ST owners, you already know. I'm gonna smoke this fool.